The goal of questions 2 and 3 in part B is to figure out how much something's going to cost when it's on sale. So this should, if you've got a $25 long sleeve t-shirt for 10% off, we want to calculate the amount of money to be taken from the $25 total in step 1. So we are going to figure out what 10% of $25 is. That is the same as writing 10 per 100, or, as we learned earlier, 10 divided by 100 of $25. When you punch 10 divided by 100 into your calculator, you're going to get 0.10 as your answer. So 0.10 of $25 is the same thing as 0.10 times $25. So when you take a calculator and you punch 0.10 times $25 into the calculator, you will get $2.50 as an answer. The $2.50 is the amount of money that you're going to take off of the regular cost of the shirt, which is $25. So step 2 is to subtract $2.50 from $25. So again, into your calculator, you will punch the amount that you found in step 1 into your calculator. So you will put $25, take away $2.50 into your calculator, and you will find that the cost of the long sleeve t-shirt when it's on sale is $2.50. So therefore, the sale cost of the long sleeve t-shirt is $22.50. In question C, the instructions are to find the amount of money saved. So this is just a middle step, or one of the steps in our question B. And so you've got 45% off $50. So we're going to find how much money the person is going to save if they buy an item at that sale price. We have learned already that 45% means 45 per 100. And we then multiply that by $50 to find how much money we save. 45 per 100 can be written as 45 divided by 100. And we multiply that by $50. And you can just go ahead and punch that whole line into your calculator. So if you were to just go ahead and punch it all in, you would get an answer. But I'm going to do it one step at a time. So 45 divided by 100 is 0.45. And we keep the rest. We just copy what's there times $50. So 0.45 times 50 gives us a savings of $22.50. That means you're going to pay that amount less than you would if it was at regular cost. Let's do number 2. 10% off of $99 is the same as 10 out of 100 times $99. That is like 10 divided by 100 times $99. And that is like 0.10 times 99. And when you punch 0.10 times $99 into your calculator, you're going to get $9.90 saving. 5% of $1,000. Now we're getting the hang of percentages and what they look like as decimals. So some of you might recognize now that if you do all the math that we did above, 5% is like 0.05 times 1,000. When we punch 0.05 times 1,000 into our calculator, you get $5. And so if something costs $1,000 and you are saving 5% of $1,000, you save not $5, $50. So 0.05 times $1,000 is $50. That's my mistake. 30% is the same as decimal 30. So we take that amount and we multiply it by the cost, which is $20. And when we do that, we find that we're going to have a savings of $6 on a $20 item.